Hello everyone, how are you doing all? My name is Vishnu and I welcome you all to Barkick. Today I'm back with another interesting video that is gonna just blow your mind because today we are gonna make Bond Special Vodka Martini.
Mixed like you said, sir. Not stirred. A medium dry martini, lemon peel, shaken, not stirred.
A martini, shaken, not stirred.
Well, that's stirred, not shaken. That was right, wasn't it?
Perfect.
For the gentleman, vodka martini, shaken, not stirred. Vodka martini, shaken, not stirred.
The vodka martini center, shaken, not stirred. Would you get me a medium dry vodka martini?
What is
shaken, not stirred.
Vodka martini, okay? Shaken, not stirred.
Vodka martini, shaken, not stirred.
Mr. Bond will have a vodka martini, shaken, not stirred.
Vodka martini, shaken, not stirred. Dry martini. Oui, monsieur. Wait. 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half a measure of quinoa lily. Shake it over rice and then add a thin slice of lemon peel. Yes, sir. Vodka martini, shaken, not stirred. Do I look like I give a damn? Can I get you something, sir? Vodka martini, shaken, not stirred.
Guys, I compiled these clips for all of you. You saw how slick he is when he orders for his favorite vodka martini. I'm sure after watching this video, you're gonna try to make the martini and you will taste it too. I cannot wait to make a martini for you guys. Let's go and make a martini. Today, I'm going to use Belvedere vodka, one of my favorite. Created exclusively from Polish Dankowskie Rye and quadruple-distilled to create the perfect balance of character and purity. So let's move ahead and make a martini. Let's start with chilling our martini glass. Now give a little stir to make sure glass is getting chilled. Now take our mixing glass and fill it with ice. Now Belvedere, that is 45 ml. You can use your choice of vodka also. Now it's time to add dry vermouth, that is 15 ml. Now give a sharp stir and wait until the liquid increases its quantity. But make sure not too much. Now let's take our chilling martini glass, throw the ice, double strain our ready martini into our glass. Look at that, the color, clear, not at all cloudy. Now Bond likes thin slice of a lemon peel as a garnish, but I'm doing it classic way. 3 olives in the skewer. Just rest them in the glass and your martini is ready. There you go. Very slick, stylish drink. Never out of trend. Always classic. Guys, martini is also very easy to make. You don't need something out of the box. So you can make it anywhere, anytime. In coming videos guys, I'm gonna show you how to order a martini like a boss. And in coming videos, also I'm gonna show you different styles of martinis. So friends, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed it yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will not miss my new videos every time. And thank you so much for watching this video until here. I'll see you next time. Don't drink and drive, drink responsibly, and signing off.